Welcome to this meditation, a journey of deep connection with nature. Nature is not separate from us. It is a reflection of who we are, alive, flowing, ever-changing, and deeply connected to all things. Through this practice, you will align with the energy of the earth, the breath of the wind, the warmth of the sun, and the wisdom of the trees. Find a quiet place where you can be undisturbed. If possible, sit or lie down in nature, under a tree or on the grass. Maybe it's near the water, or simply imagine yourself in a peaceful, natural setting. I welcome you now to close your eyes and take a deep breath in and exhale fully. Imagine yourself feeling the earth beneath you. Imagine its energy rising up to support you, so steady and strong. With each breath, allow yourself to relax even deeper, sinking into this grounding presence. Visualize roots extending from the base of your spine, reaching deep into Mother Earth. These roots anchor you, connecting you to the wisdom of the land, feeling the nurturing energy of the earth flowing upward, filling you with a sense of stability, calm, and belonging. Now bring your awareness to your breath. Imagine the air around you as a gentle breeze flowing in and out of your lungs. With each inhale, you draw in the fresh energy, clarity, and renewal. With each exhale, you release all that no longer serves you. Let it drift away like leaves on the wind. Feel the freedom of this breath as it is a part of the vast sky, expansive and limitless. Now imagine a golden warmth above you, the radiant light of the sun. Whether it's shining in the sky or hidden behind the clouds, the energy is always present. Feel this light touching your skin and warming your heart, filling you with vitality and life. Let it remind you of your own inner light, your own radiant energy that shines from within. Breathe in this warmth, this power, this nourishment. Let it awaken something deep inside you. Now envision yourself surrounded by the beauty of the natural world. Perhaps a vast forest, a peaceful meadow, or a rhythmic waves of the ocean. Listen. Hear the rustling leaves, the sound of birds, the whispers of the wind, as nature speaks to you. Feel its presence, its ancient wisdom, its gentle guidance. What message does it have for you? What do you feel in this moment? Simply receive without needing to analyze. Just be here present and connected. slowly begin to bring your awareness back to your body, back to this space, feeling energy flowing through you. Begin moving your fingers and toes. Feel the surface beneath you. Take one more intentional deep breath, drawing in peace, wisdom, and clarity of nature. And as you exhale, carry this connection with you through the rest of your day, knowing that nature is always here, always guiding, always part of you. You are never separate from it. You are nature. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. Carry this sense of harmony and connection with you throughout your day. You are grounded. You are free. You are deeply connected.